Hello everyone, welcome back with Inventor basic tutorial. Today we are going to create the 3D models for exercise number 13. Okay, first I will create new drawings and I will use a standard in millimeter. Click create. The next in here we can click start to the sketch and I will choose a top plane. Now I will create circles. Start from this point. We can set for diameter into 60. You can press middle mouse to use zoom extend. Okay, press twice and we can create again circle in here with diameter 40. And next I will create circle at this point. You can set for diameter 50. Create again with diameter 30 and the next with diameter 20. You can set distance from the center point into here. You can set into 60. The next I will create line. Start from this point, move into here. Create again line. Start from this point into this point. You can use trim command to cut this line object and cut this circle. We can create again circle. Okay, from this point with diameter 40, the next with diameter 30, and the last with diameter 20. Okay, we can set distance from center point into here. You can set into 70. Now we can create line again from this point into here. And then I will create line from this point into this point. Use the tangent option. You can click here tangent and I will connect from this line object into the circle. The next from this point into here. Okay, from this line object into this point, and then from this line into this circle. I will use the dimension. We can set a distance from this point into here. Move to the left. We can set into 0 and you can press enter. The next we can use line command again. I will create line from this point into here. We can create line from this point into this point. Set distance between these two line objects. We can set into 10. And then from this point into center point, we can set into 5. The next we can use a trim command. You can click here trim. We can cut this line object. Also we can cut inside here. The next at this line object, circle object. Okay. Now we can use a rotate command. You can click here rotate. Select this object. For center point, you can click in here center point. Click yes, yes, and then in here we can set into 45 degree. Click apply, and you can set for dimension in here angle. Okay, you can see there are 143,21. So in here we can rotate again and select this object, center point in it, and we can set angle into 0,21. So it will become 143 degree. You can click apply and you can click done. Now we can click finish sketch, and to convert this sketch into 3D models we can use extrusion tool. Okay, I will click here extrude. Select this face. You can extrude to the top with extrusion 35. Click OK. I will active for sketch 1. You can right click in here and click visibility. In here we can extrude again at this face to the top of 15. The next we extrude inside here. Use extrusion tools. You can extrude into 18. Don't forget to set into join for boolean and click OK. Now in here I will use fillet command. You can fillet with radius 2. You can select this edge. Okay, we select again in here. The next you can click at this point. You can click apply, and then you can close. Now for this cat, we can extrude again at this face, and also in here. Next at this point, sorry, we can click at this point. Okay, in here, sorry, we need to delete at this. Okay, I will edit this cat. You can right click in scat once and then click edit scat. Okay, in here we can edit. First we can extend this line object, and the next you can use trim command. You can cut this circle and also at this point. So we click a finish cat. Now in here we can use extrusion tools. We can select at this face, and then we can use new solid. For distance in here we can set into 15. Can click OK. We extrude again in the center point here, and then we can set into 20 for extrusion, and I will set into new solid for boolean. Click OK. The next we can move these two objects, but first I will hide this cat one. We can uncheck for visibility, and then we can use move body. For body you can select these two objects. You can set X offset into 0, and for Y offset I will set into 15. Click apply. We move again these objects to the top. In here you can set 0 and Y axis into 15. Click apply, and then you can click done. The next we can combine between these all objects. You can click here combine, select these objects, and we select these two objects to combine. You can click OK. So it will be automatically combined. Now in here we can use fillet commands. I will use loop tools with radius 2. Select at this edge, and also we can click at this edge. You can select in here inside the circle edge, and you can click apply. The next you can click close. Now we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 13 with Inventor software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.